we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Murano, Venezia. Wow, such a pleasant morning in Venice, and people are enjoying sun in Venice.
Found what we're looking for.
What should we do today in this beautiful city, Venice? But wait a moment. We already wandered Venice in last vlog. So guys, here it's me Esan again, and we are planning today to explore Venetian islands. So sail to our first island, that is Murano. So guys, finally after sailing, now I'm at Murano Island, and here you can see the lighthouse of Murano Island.
I can weather any storm.
In Murano it's all about glass, and Murano is small enough to explore on foot. Just like Venice, on this island there are no cars, and only you can explore it using water taxi and gondola. Weather is so beautiful, and the best time to visit on these islands, it's like spring, or like they have like one carnival in Venice which is in February. So it's like really best time to visit Murano. But of course, like during those time the hotel rates and all those things will go up. All these shops in Murano, they have beautiful jewelry made of glass, and it's a must do thing. You must buy something from these shops, and like for your relatives and for family, and it's a must do thing in Murano.
You and I can weather any storm.
In Murano, most of the people, they have their pets. They love pets. Murano you can enjoy more because it's less crowded, as most people they spend more time in Venice. It is so peaceful on this island, and houses have wonderful colors. You will find, like, you just imagine a color and you will find a house of same color in Murano. It's so calm, and like they used all natural materials in construction, like bricks and all that.
Us crazy, but things are finally right.
The official language in Murano is also like Italian, but some people also speak Venetian language, and the tourists, like guides, they can speak English and Spanish and multiple languages. The currency in Murano, like I'm using euro, but you can even like use your cards if you have, but small shops they prefer to take like cash from you. Moreover, like when you're walking in Murano, you will find like small bridges connecting its districts from one water body to another, and every house, like Venice, they also have like boards here.
We don't need no more.
And I tried now from one shop a chocolate, hot chocolate, and a croissant, and it's really amazing. Moreover, like in Murano, you can view like glass making full process, and the artisans and all that, they will like mold the glass and will perform their act in front of you, and you can then even buy their stuff from these islands.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
So guys, it's all about Murano, and now we are heading towards our next island, which is Murano, and see you guys there in next vlog.